minor technical glitch. Wouldn't switch off. Just wanted to get a bit of a view of the area as we're going away from the lake. I don't think it's worth coming back here though by bike. We're seeing everything there is to see anyway. We might go to Verona. I haven't been to Verona. In some particular way. Bit of a lakeside beach, so to speak. Magnificent, almost heaven on earth. It's only about an hour and a half at the most from the Cittadella area. Oops. Keep that microphone out of the wind. Yep, I'm filming it. Ci fa film. Prendo un ripresa. There it is.
Dopo la tabella.
No. Sul telecamera. Va bene. People up there, you can see the people up there. You get quite a view of the lake, don't they? Marniga. Any Garda babes? No. Stop because there's supposed to be a viewing point up ahead. This place is like a park full of olive trees, little kiddie play stuff. You might be able to pick up some of the significant bird life. You can hear it. Nice little swimming pool over there, and we're going to walk. Oh, look, that's the Panamera, whatever. Yeah, never liked it. Oh, there we are. That's part of that park to my left. We're walking in between it. You can see the lake in the distance there. Go a pizza, I reckon. I'm going to plate of pasta, but a nice white wine. Nicely chilled. We're going to walk down here. See here. This is the same sort of tree that I had a little bit of a nibble of its fruit. Let's see if I can get a view of it. Quite nice. It's the one where the caterpillars eat the leaves and make silk. And now, San Vigilio, Albergo Locanda. So it's the hotel here. You can see that on the ground. Here's Dave. Hey Dave. Oops. I ate Schwan. I don't know why. Not that there'd be any chlorine. Where to go? We can go over there. As we continue on here. Oops. I don't know if you can see the hotel in the direct light. Some nice looking glasses of spritz. Excuse me. Okay, we're nearly at the end of the little walkway, and we've got a nice little wharf over there and more of Garda scenery through here. You can see how clear the water is. David says scivola. Hey, sta attento. Let's go over here and get a bit of a view back. Okay, let's swing around. You can see that over there. And quite a nice spot. Hotel guests. The amount of traffic, tourist traffic as well. Well, it's all tourist traffic, but people walking around, people riding bikes, crossing the roads, motorbikes, cars. Giorgio said that today wasn't too bad at all, and there were columns of traffic so long. And just imagine it in August, it's way worse. Lazise, Lazise, Lazise. A bit of a castle wall. I don't know if there's much left of it. No. More of the incredible flowers and more of the castle, castle walls. Hang on a tick, let's get this outside.